Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan. Same story again. 25 June 2025. Rashtriya Gram Swaraj. Rashtriya Gram Swaraj. देखो क्या क्या लिखा हुआ है. Central sector scheme again. No, so this is a central sponsored scheme. Launch year 2022 for sustainable development in PR. ये कहानी है. अब देखते हैं. Revamped Rashtriya Gram Swaraj. Year again. Year very difficult to recall in exam despite the fact that it is written in explanation. I would always do question mark. Year one cannot recall. So question mark. Key objective is Panchayati Raj institution sustainable development. Yes, this is correct. Centrally funded 100%. No, it is centrally sponsored 60-40 or 90-10. This is wrong. So 3 is wrong, 2 is correct. Now again same story that we have done in last question. Year usually I would consider it wrong. A and B I would do B. All the time same. Answer is B. Now if you want to cover your schemes, this is how you will cover schemes. You will always say the name of the scheme, objective, if there is some merger, if there is some sub scheme, ministry sponsored, who is the beneficiary, launch year, foreign nationals collaboration, any new technology app has been in news or anything recently in news. This is how you should cover scheme. These are all the parameters. I have already made them. You see, this is usually more useful for exams of non-CSEs, UPSC, CAPF, CDS, India, these exams. But now in UPSC exams also, these type of questions are coming. So one has to cover it. So this is how I have covered it from all months, same. And again, just not theory, because with theory, it is very difficult to recall. Questions as same with questions. Okay. Soon I will launch this at a very affordable price. All the prelims related current affairs for all CSE exams, all UPSC exam, you will know. Okay. अब क्या lessons है इस exam से? Static again, stick to Lakshmikant and NCERT. Do not go anywhere else. Try to incorporate Subhash Kashyap selectively. Case study, do 5 years of GS 1, 2, 3, 4. Ethics especially. Current affair, again, watch video. Current affair daily, you have to read this newspaper. Vision IS website. Quiz daily you have to do. Monthly, one has to do Vision IS or Inside Size magazine. Any you could do. Both are same. Now, sectional test. Do PYQ sectional test. Do not do anything else. No random coaching test. Sectional test of PYQ. Why am I saying so? You see, till now we have covered 15 questions from PYQ, 5 questions from PYQ polity, 5 questions from geography. So till now 25 questions from PYQ, and I have covered till now 21, 9 and 12. Out of 42 questions from static subjects, 25 are from PYQ. Next we will do economics and see, then let's see how many are from PYQ. So do PYQ section and mock test you can do at the end 10. Rest do PYQs. And if you wish to cover entire syllabus of UPSC 2027 or 2028, then you have this batch for you, whereby we have categorized 132 questions paper in topic wise and chapter wise manner, and each and every option will be taught in detail. We have done the same for GS 1 to 3 mains also. Similarly, batch size is very small, 9 to 12 students only. There is no note making. In addition to these questions, we will also solve test series, 65 question paper test series you will solve, and this is the plan. This is the fee structure. So if you wish to enroll, you can text us on Telegram, website or WhatsApp.